now this part is ready and I want to create drawing for this part. And fastest way is go here, application button. Of course, remember save this model before you start to create drawing. So it's good to click that save command first, and after that application button, click and new. And here you can find drawing of active model. And click this icon, drawing of active model. Now here you can see template, and now I am not sure, do you have this text, CAD draft here? Isometric draft. Okay, so click this browse. And here you can find template. Isometric draft is Solid's own template, and CAD draft is our school template. So we can use that our school own template for this exercise. Okay, select this one and click OK. And now it's here. It's activated, and click OK. And don't click here yet, because now this part orientation is wrong. So I want to change it, and that's why take here view wizard drawing view layout. View wizard drawing view layout here, this icon. And take this custom here. Custom. And here you can select part orientation. So if you use, for instance, this common views, click this common views, and if you click this green ball here, you can turn this part 90 degrees. Okay, and if you click in this corner, you will get isometric part. You can try what will happen. And if you want again orthogonal view, click this green plane here, and these arrows rotate clockwise 90 degrees and counterclockwise. So you can select part orientation, and now I want that right orientation is like this one. Try to turn that part like this. Now it's good. So I turn orientation right and click close and OK. And now you can select scale. So here you can find scale, and as you can see now, I think it's too big, so it's 2:1. So I select this one and select 1:1. Okay, and click position for that view. I can also put some other views if I want, like this, but it's not necessary. And you can stop this pressing escape, like this. Okay. And if you make some extra views, you can select them like this and press delete and press delete. Okay, so we need only this one. And as you can see, you can move this view if you want. Okay. And if you want to make principal views, you can take this one here, principal. And after that, click part and click view position. Like this. Click here and click position. So if you want, you can make all those 6 views very quickly. Of course, you don't need all these views, but anyway, it's very fast to make. If you want to make isometrical views, you can also do it like this. Okay, I create all of them now, and you can also do it. And you can move these views, as you can see. Just click view and drag to new place. And if you want to delete that, it's easy. Just click that view and press delete. So I can delete those extra views. I don't need them. Actually, I need this one, of course. Sorry. And I can also use this isometric view. I put it here, for instance. Okay. And next we can create a section view. So if you want to make section, you can first create cutting plane, and after that you can create section. So I can show to you. I take cutting plane, and you can also take this cutting plane and click this view here. Click. After that, I take line and I draw a line from here. And when you click this starting place, take it little bit outside of this part and middle of that hole. So like this, I click here and drag line. And now this line is little bit longer than part. It's okay. And why? We need space for arrows, and that's why it's a little bit longer than part. And we need only one line, so here I can use right mouse button, so I cut this rubber band. Okay. After that, close cutting plane, and now I can select side for this section view. So this red arrow shows from down to up. So this is the right position. Okay. And after that, now my cutting plane is ready. I can take section. Section, and after that I click this line here and click position. Okay. So next we want to add some dimensions, and it's quite easy because you already can do it. You can see that here you can find smart dimension. You already know how it's work. And also here you can find distance between. So you can take, for instance, distance between and give distance from here to here. Or you can select this edge and circle center point like this. Next, I want to create center line, for instance, this hole here. How can I do it? Here I can find center line, click, and after that I select this middle point here, center point here, and drag this line down, and here I can find next point. Okay? So this is center line. I can also put center line from here to here also. Okay. Then center mark. You can find here center mark, and you can select center mark and put these projection lines on, and just click, for instance, this circle. You will get center mark to that circle. And actually you can also use center mark here. If you want to show that this part is symmetrical in this direction and also that direction, you can use center mark and projection lines on, and click this outer cycle here. Click. So you will get this kind of center lines. Okay, good. Next I will show to you how to make detail. So detail is quite easy. Take detail command and click center point for that detail. I, for instance, want to make detail here. I can put dimensions for this chamfers. I click here, middle point, center point, and I drag this kind of circle and click, and after that I will get detail, and I can select location. This is not so good example because there is no any reason to make detail actually, but anyway, this is how you can do it. Now this B here go little bit wrong place, so I can also move that text, for instance, like this. Maybe now it's better. Okay.